o'clock, we're on the road. We're on our way to round 2, Mount Beauty, the VDHS. We missed round 1 unfortunately because we were unprepared and didn't prepare. So
why are you preparing? You're always preparing.
If we're lucky, I reckon we'll get there by 11. By the time we stop, you know, fiddle around, buy some food.
It is all PM, by the way. It's not 6 a.m.
It's not 6. It's definitely not 6 a.m.
We're gonna have race faces on.
You gotta have a race face. Whoa, it's pretty good. It's a bit loose on the back end there.
Speaking of the back end.
Speaking of the back end, fully loaded. For 2 days, there's quite a bit back there. 3 bikes, 2 riders. We're only 1 bike short. 2 each.
Hey man, nice mo.
It's beautiful. It's my Magnum PI mo.
We're motivated.
There's about 5 people in the world that will get that. Well, you know, if you want to overtake anyone these days, you can't do it at 100.
Can everyone please go back and learn how to drive? Just
if you're doing 80 on the road, don't go 100 in the overtaking lane. That's just rude. We just left Yay. It is. Oh man, now it's 7:45. This is a little concerning. These clouds do not look friendly. I feel we're going to get over the crest of this hill and just be bombarded.
Man, legit, you can't really go any faster than this, can you?
Can't see much. 10:42. We made it before 11, and now we've got to try and set something up in the wet. At least it's not raining.
10 to 8. It's been raining all night. Let's see what's going on next door.
Open that.
Oh, I'm not getting out in this weather. This is disgusting. It's so bright.
Oh. Yep. Can you not get me in my underwear?
Slightly different rigs today. Running the downhills. Borrowing Mick's bike. Thank you very much, Mick. I don't know if it's going to help my times, but I should enjoy it. Hello.
Hello.
You are in your underwear.
I'm trying to.
Ha ha ha. We've walked a bit of the track after all the rain. It's looking pretty good, actually. It's stinking hot. It is so humid.
So humid.
So sticky.
Oh, you're in such an ant nest life. Get off that thing.
Oh, my friends. Ooh. All right. We're going to get down the bottom, gear up, and get some practice.
It's a bit of a hassle, but I do get it.
Sweet, sweet music. Shade.
How are you?
So, well, right now I'm doing all right. We'll see how I'm doing in 10 minutes.
It's all downhill from here.
That's how they keep telling me. All right, first run. Checking it out. First run on the bike. First run on the track. Just keeping you on your toes. All right, just got to try and keep up and stay on. Do not take that line.
That's better.
Oh, I almost lost it on that.
This is so much quicker. T-shirt. Oh, that was close.
With this rain, it's gonna get slick. How'd you go?
So much quicker.
Oh, the rain just won't stay away. Whoa!
Recording it.
I reckon that's it for us for the day. I reckon it's. I don't think we're going out again in this rain. It's bucketing down.
7:06. Well, it's about that time.
Ah, thank you, sir. Oh, totally off balance there. Don't go that way. All right, last shuttle for the race run.
Don't forget to pedal, Steve.
Oh man, I'm gonna be worn out by the time I get to the green line.
Good luck, sunshine.
Thanks, man.
What time is it going to be? 10 seconds. Good to go, good to go.
Alright, just stay on the bike. disappointing. Well, that's the race. It's all over. The times are the times. So happy with the run until dropping it in that. It's literally, it's a creek. It's a creek. The worst spot. Stupid mistake. I can't go, oh, it was the toughest part of the track, and yeah, I got caught on the rock. No, I just didn't turn.
Just ran out of talent.
You heard it first. I ran out of talent. Talentless. Good on second. You got second.
Well,
He got second. Good job. Well done.
Okay.
Let's drink water.
And second, Mark Gillespie.
Woo!
And in first, Mr. Royal with a 4 minutes flat.
Woo! Not only did we get the rain on the way up, apparently, not even apparently, it's about,
hit it.
it's coming.
There it is.
It's
I can
just
see
in
it. There's a
front of
wall.
us.
You need to-
I can't see in this thing.
Oh my goodness.
I can't see anything.
Yeah, I reckon I can see the end of it up there.
Oh, summertime, get the windows down.
Ah.
You can breathe now.
Ah.
How good is the Australian summer? You can start at 32, you can get torrential downpour, and then 5 minutes later, you can just come back into